Meaning of high water mark.
High water mark.
High water mark.
High water mark.
High water mark. The term high water mark is typically used to describe the peak or highest point that something has reached. It can be used in various contexts, such as finance, sports, and even in politics. For instance, in finance, it can refer to the highest value that an investment has ever reached. In sports, it could be the highest score achieved by a team. And in politics, it might indicate the highest level of public support for a particular party or candidate. Overall, the high water mark represents the pinnacle of achievement, success, or popularity that has been attained in a given field.